Hi, my name is Diesel, and I'm the owner and operator for u2cdetailing.com. Now we're going to show you how to shampoo a carpet. Now you can go to the automotive parts store and you can find different kinds of cleaners. Turtle Wax usually has a pretty good line of cleaners, and they have 3M, they have Meguiar's, they have a lot of different companies that make cleaners. Today we're going to use the Turtle Wax Oxy Power Out. And all you do is after you vacuum the carpet thoroughly, you spray the cleaner directly onto the carpet. Now, some carpets might have some stains. I would advise using maybe a pre-cleaner or a spot cleaner on those stains before you shampoo the whole carpet. After you spray a liberal amount of cleaner on the carpet, all you do, let it sit for maybe about 45 seconds to a minute, whatever the directions read on the can. Once it sits for a while, you take your brush and you just brush it. Now, I actually use a carpet extractor on top of brushing, but not everyone has a carpet extractor at their disposal. So this is the easy, economical way of doing that. You take a terry cloth towel and you just rub it. Now, sometimes after you vacuum, you might have to find that you have to vacuum again after you shampoo it, because you might have brought up particles and debris from within the nap of the carpet. And that's how I shampoo a carpet.